Hi, my lovely Capricorns. Welcome back to Tarot Talks. I hope you guys are doing good and are safe with your family and loved ones. So, Capricorns, today we are going to do the collective reading for your sign for the month of October 2024. Please note it's a collective reading and it might not resonate with all. So, just take what resonates and leave the rest, okay? You would also want to check other signs in your birth chart for a better and clear understanding. Also, guys, if any of this is your story, if any of this resonates with you, do give the video a thumbs up, drop comments, share your experiences, and last but not the least, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. So guys, before beginning, let me tell you that I have changed the pattern of the reading for this month. I'll be pulling a health card, a career card, and a love slash general relation general messages or general energy cards, okay, and an oracle message and few charms. The reason being that the readings get really lengthier and people's attention span has reduced like literally to needle point these days. So I just thought of experimenting, and do let me know this time how you feel about it. If you want me to revert to the original style, I'll do so, okay? So guys, while pre-shuffling, I saw counterparts or soulmate energy, and that was King and Queen of Pentacles. By the way, lot of Earth energy was coming through. Okay, so from this deck, in fact, while shuffling, there was only one air energy card. Rest all were Earth energy cards. Okay, so you have strong Earth in your birth chart elsewhere as well, or you could be dealing with a fellow Earth sign. Okay, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. So guys, you are definitely meeting your soulmate. Okay, world card showed up. Okay, maybe you guys might have gone on trip, okay, with different people, and you met there, okay, somewhere over, you connected over a trip, or you connected over some common topic, okay. But the thing is that this is a very karmic kind of a connection, and you are bound to meet is what I'm getting, okay. No matter what, no matter the circumstances, you are meant to be together, okay, soulmates. Also guys, there was Three of Pentacles energy which was showing up, which was telling that you probably, some of you guys probably could be, collaborating with people, different people, to work on some project or to work on some work, some assignment. Maybe a team of three people, need not be, but could be a thing. Okay, one thing that I was getting when I saw this Three of Pentacles and the soulmate or divine counterpart energy along with world card was, the universe is actually going to conjure to or join hands or join forces to bring you guys together. Okay, that was coming, or that is coming very very strongly. Someone out there is very sleepless and in utter state of confusion because you're overthinking about something, okay. Nine of Swords, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, and Seven of Cups energy was showing up. So please guys, whatever that is bothering you, don't be worried, don't be anxious, because immediately Sun card popped out, which was kind of a confirmation, like, things are going to settle down, okay. It's just temporary, just hang in there. Also guys, there was Page of Pentacles, which was indicative of a new job opening or new job offer for someone out there, okay. What else did I see? Not many messages, just these were some of the messages that, in fact, I don't even remember any other cards. Yeah, there was, from another deck, I saw that there is a King of Cups who is kind of stuck over you, okay. Hanged Man energy, Piscean energy, and a Cancer, Scorpio, Piscean, okay. Someone really, really is like, this person really loves you, and this person is not able to move away from you, or even if this person tries to tell himself or herself like, no, this Capri is probably not interested in me, or this is not right, but they keep on coming back to you. They're like literally stuck on you is what I was getting, which is very sweet to whoever this is applicable. Anyway guys, with that, let's get started and let's see what we have for you guys in your main reading, okay. This is your health card, by the way. This is your career card. Wow, career looks amazing. I really liked it. It really is looking amazing. What is up with my camera, guys? I don't understand. Yeah. Then let's pull your love, relationship, or general cards. Oh my god, ouch. Really? Oh my god, what is up, guys? Oh, didn't really like it. Anyway, let's talk about it in some time. Okay, your health card is showing up as two of wands, which is telling me that you probably are experimenting, or you are probably thinking of starting a new diet, or probably you're thinking of starting a new workout regime, and you're kind of finding out more information about it. Like you're researching, you're talking to people who have already done that, like who have already maybe there is an XYZ nutritionist or dietitian, or there is a PQR gym or a place that is quite famous. Then you are talking to people who are going there, or you're talking to instructors that are working there, or you're talking to some nutritionist, you're consulting some nutritionist, and you're doing your homework. Basically you're kind of finding out more about that diet pattern or that workout regime. Okay, and you are just kind of analyzing the pros and cons, and whether or not you should go for it, or whether or not it will suit you. Okay, so that's what you are in. You're kind of in the researching phase right now, but very soon you're going to start something new where it comes to your diet, fitness, and health routine. Okay, very very good energy. Also, some of you guys could be like studying, or you could be actually taking some trainings or certifications, and you're working hard for that. Okay, that is also one of the messages that I'm getting when it comes to your health card. Okay, very very neutral kind of energy, nothing glaring, nothing alarming, but in fact, if nothing, it's a good thing to know that you are taking your fitness and your health very very seriously, and you are actually kind of experimenting and taking steps towards keeping yourself fit and healthy. Okay, so since it's nothing glaring, I'm going to move on to your career, which is actually catching my eye. 10 of Pentacles, which tells a lot of abundance, a lot of money coming your way, guys. Some of you guys might get awards, rewards, recognitions at workplace. Maybe you'll get a good hike, maybe you'll get a promotion. Okay, but a lot of abundance and prosperity is what I see when it comes to your career slash finances. Some of you guys might get money from inheritance, probably, or that investment that you had made a couple of years ago, that is maturing up, that FD is maturing up. But whatever be the case, you are going to get you or receive huge sum of money. Okay, you are actually living in lot of abundant energy when it comes to your career slash finances or money. Okay, which is again a very very beautiful energy to be in. And again, nothing much to talk about here, because it's a very happy and a very abundant and prosperous energy. Okay, so I'm moving on to your love, relationship slash general energy. Now this is something which is kind of upsetting some of you guys when it comes to love, relationships, or general energy. Now make a note that this need not be a romantic love. Okay, it could be no, it need not be a romantic relationship is what I meant. It could be any relationship, any association, any bond, maybe personal or maybe professional. It could be your boyfriend, girlfriend, spouse, husband, or your best friend, or your sibling, or your parent. Okay, any association, any bond, any connection. Basically, this person has actually let you down, and you are very very upset with this person's behavior. You have been having a lot of arguments and fights with someone, because someone is actually behaving very someone could be really jealous and could be behaving or acting out of jealousy. Okay, and it is actually kind of becoming very challenging for you to deal with this person, to deal with this energy, because whoever this is amongst your kin. Okay, whom you were closely associated with. Okay, and it becomes very tricky when you are someone from your kin, or someone close to you starts behaving this weird, and it becomes very tricky for you to deal such situations. Precisely that is what is happening for you guys, Capricorns. Someone is behaving really salty here, and you are not understanding how to deal with this, okay, and you are probably kind of figuring out how to communicate best with this person, even if you try to go and strike any dialogue or communication with this person gets extremely defensive, or takes offense on anything and everything that you say, okay, and that's why it's becoming even more challenging. There is a possibility that this person is going through some financial stress, or could be going through stress at workplace, and this person is actually offloading onto you and taking it out onto you. It happens, when we are stressed out, we actually unknowingly kind of take it out, or take it out on the people who are close to us, okay. That could also be the case, okay, but definitely this person is not in a good place right now emotionally, and is ending up doing one thing or the other, which is kind of really impacting you negatively and affecting you big time, is what I'm getting. If at all you're dating someone, okay, if at all you're romantically involved with someone, guys, be very very careful, because this person could be could not could be a little I don't know, deceptive energy is coming through very strongly, okay, and this person might not be even well settled in his or her career, and might use you for financial gains, okay. So please be very very careful. It looks like a very alarming energy, and this person might even ghost you for all you know, okay, like just might disappear into thin air, and that can really hurt you bad, okay. Just a warning sign here for those who are dating, okay. Because see, look at this, there is there are two fives, two sevens, there was 7 of cups also in your energy. So yes, definitely someone's behavior is kind of three fives, right? Yeah, guys, I really see strong ghosting happening over here. Someone is actually going to be really kind of nasty over here, and this person is going might end up hurting you, okay, and you're going to be deeply troubled and upset and hurt by this person. So please be very careful, and if at all this has not happened, and if you are watching this reading, and if you are seeing these signs in someone, just be very careful and act accordingly, mend your behavior accordingly, is what I'm getting. So like we say, tarot is a tool, okay. It gives you a sneak peek that of what might come, or it makes you aware what is happening at your subconscious level, which you're not kind of acknowledging. And if you see these telltale signs, do act on it, okay. It's not just to listen and forget, but to act also, okay. 8 of Wands is showing up in your overall energy. Lot of communication, lot of mails, phone calls being exchanged over here. Maybe you guys might travel also, you might travel overseas, maybe you might go on a trip. Yes, because there was World card that was showing up so strongly in your energy, like it kept on repeating. Someone might actually travel overseas, is what I'm getting. If not now, it could be in the near future as well, 2-3 months down the line, okay. What an energy, guys. Capricorn, I have not expected these cards in your energy, because they are very much different from your pre-shuffling energy, by the way. So let's move ahead and pull one card from this deck. This is an affirmation card which you can use. Oh my god, it actually has flipped right away. Expectations, don't seek anyone's approval. Such a beautiful affirmation. And I have Capricorn strongly in my birth chart, and this definitely I definitely am going to remind myself this, because I somehow am that person who keeps on seeking validations from others over small things, okay, and that basically stems from lack of confidence. And if at all you two are sailing in the same boat, this is a lovely reminder to have, and I thank the angels and archangels for this moral boost. Expectations, don't seek anyone's approval. Wow, what a lovely affirmation to have, and thing to keep on reminding ourselves. I really love this card, and I hope you liked it too, okay, and do keep on reminding yourself that. So Capricorn, let's move on and pull some charms and conclude the reading. Lots of charms here. Time is important, time is crucial, and especially when I'm looking at this energy over here at the into your general or relationship energy. Maybe it's time to take the action, or maybe it's time to it's probably a point in your life wherein time is not by your side, okay, and it might not be in your favor. So maybe you would want to wait out for some time for things to settle down and then strike the conversation, whatever. Maybe you are in this phase wherein you are feeling very defended, offended over something. We had major eclipse, like lunar eclipse right now, and that also has severe impact, and we are in that cycle as and now when I am recording this reading, and I am actually feeling a lot of heavy energy myself because of this eclipse. So maybe that could be the case for some of you guys. And it's like, you need to have time in your favor no matter what, okay. That's what I strongly believe. Sometimes we have some low days, really really low days, and when nothing happens in our favor, no matter how much we try, no matter how sincerely we do things, okay, so we just have to wait it out. Maybe that is what the angels are saying through this charm. And every hair from my fair some lines decline. This charm strongly tells me about listening to your gut or intuition. If you have some strong hunch about something or someone, do pay attention to it. It is there for a reason, okay. Love, okay, no, this is what a sister love, by the way. A sister is someone to dream, cry, sing, laugh with. Wow, I just love this charm. It makes me feel really really good. Though I don't have a sister, like I'm the only child from my maternal side, okay, and I always craved having a sister. But having said that, I have some good friends who are actually like my sisters, like, or rather more than sisters, and I just thank my stars for having them in my life. So a sister is someone to dream, cry, sing, laugh with. To whoever this is applicable, if you have a sibling who is a sister, maybe it's a reminder to thank God or angels for blessing you with a sister, okay. Paris, I told you, right? Someone definitely is going to travel overseas, maybe to Europe, maybe to Paris, city of love. Some, I also saw divine counterpart connection, right? King and Queen of Pentacles. Maybe you'll get married and go to Paris, okay. After that, by the way, I had been to Paris this year, and it is just amazing. And Eiffel Tower, I mean, it just took my breath away when the illumination happened. Must visit place, guys. And initial H had shown up in some other sign also. I don't remember, but anyway, initial H. If this reminds you of anything, person, place, incident, anything what that this initial reminds you of. Okay. So Capricorns, like I said, do let me know how you found this pattern or how you find this spread, okay, or you want me to revert to the earlier exhaustive kind of a reading, okay. I'll be waiting for your comments, and till then, stay safe, stay blessed by sorry, till then, stay safe, stay blessed. I'll be seeing you next one directly, guys. Bye, take care.